Hi guys, so we're camping at the moment and I'm about to do a comparison video on two camp chairs. One that is from Aldi's, £12.99, compact, in a little tiny carry case, versus, so it's £12.99, versus Emma's high gear £40 one from Go Outdoors. So we'll compare the size, how difficult it is to put it up, and also how comfortable it is. So let me show you. So here they are. This is the Aldi one, which is their ultimate light camping chair. That was, I literally have just brought it. It was £12.99. And then we've got this massive one, which is high gear Kentucky chair, luxury one. So obviously already there's a big comparison in the difference of how big they are. So this one literally undo it and then you just put it up. It's literally straight out. Straight up. That's a nice big wide one. Oh, very high. Oh, that's nice and comfy. That is definitely comfy, that one. So as you can tell, it's very big. We've got, this is like a thermal cup holder. I'm not too sure what the hole is for, but that's a nice thick thermal cup holder. Very, very sturdy. Yeah, very comfortable and the only downfall is for us, small car, big chair. But comfort is definitely a 10 out of 10 for this one. It's just not claustrophobic, it's no bars kind of right into you or anything like that. Quite high off the ground as well, so that's nice. So now let's go on to the Aldi one. Lovely, compact. So we've got the actual seat itself. And then basically that's literally it. So it's quite quick. Literally slot it all in like so. Obviously already this has taken longer than the other one. Right, yeah, hang on, that way round with the feet at the bottom. And then, look at this one now. Put them slotted into there, like so. And then you slot the back and the front ones in. Obviously a bit more time and effort into this one compared to the last one, but then this one is much more compact. And there we go. There is a bottom thing you could put on as well, which is here, but I don't really see the necessity of it. I suppose it's in the background. The wee bit I'm sitting. Obviously much smaller, but the back is quite more. I feel really old doing this, sitting like this, but the back is much more relaxed on my back. It's not so straight up. Yeah, stop. So it is quite stretchy and goes quite far back. When I sat on it, I didn't feel any of the bars. It's a bit, when you sit on it, a bit wobbly. But yeah, for £12.99, I do think it's still a nice little chair, especially seeing as that goes into that. Very compact, very practical for our little car. So yeah, I do rate that one. For me, that is an 8 out of 10. Obviously the bigger one is a 10 out of 10 for comfort, easy to put up. For us it's a bit big for the car, but I'm still going to give it 10 out of 10. This is, what did I just say, 8 out of 10. I think I just said 8 out of 10. I would say 8 out of 10 for this one. Could be a bit more sturdier. There is no cup holders or arm holders, but it is very relaxed. Nice, relaxed for your back. Obviously it's not as high, so your head does dangle down. But yeah, I definitely think this is a nice one as well. So that's the £12.99 one from Aldi versus Go Outdoors £40 one. Let me know in the comments if you have either of these, what you think of them. and I hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for some more camping videos. Don't forget to give us a follow.